Hello traders, in front of you Alpha Fibonacci long trade that's collecting from crucial Alpha Fibonacci target. Everyone seeing this? We discussed this well in advance, never ever ever after the fact. So if you will ever choose to ignore this target, if you are trading against the trend, success is not possible. So while we're monitoring this trade, this is what I wanted to show you. Community of Alpha Fibonacci traders. Kimberly, first morning logging in. This is what positive community of successful carrying traders is. Everyone welcoming Kimberly to the course. Amazing to have Kimberly on board. More girl power is welcome. Joy and pleasure to have you with us. And this is what intelligent trader monitors very, very carefully, scaling out accordingly. Pay attention to target as we're speaking with students. Emmanuel, 6 points S&P. David, gold. S&P, Dow, killing it. Jean, legend, loving trading options with Alpha Fibonacci system. Traders supporting each other, traders inspiring each other. Two very powerful moments. Marco in the middle of Italy, killing it, starting his own Lamborghini fleet, being funded by one up trader. Flawless work, incredible work. This is what Alpha Fibonacci traders do for the last 10 years all over the world. I give you Lamborghini. All you have to do is to drive one. Can you do that? Can you obey the rules? If yes, the skies are the limit, as traders showing every single day. So if this level remains intact, it's showing the weakness of the buyers. Intelligent, strategic Alpha Fibonacci trader knows that. We will dissect this in the class after trading room close. Any questions for me? Please do ask. So what do Alpha Fibonacci traders learn? They learn how not to be a majority. Majority chases indicators. Majority chases magic bullet. Alpha Fibonacci traders are strategic, intelligent traders who inspiring each other, who understand how crucial this level is. Here we go. Price reaches this level again and again and again. When bullish trend becomes powerful, this will be next. This level never ever to be ignored if bullish weakness is present. And that's the power of the system, and that's the power of Alpha Fibonacci traders. You become who you surround it with. If you're surrounded by successful traders who inspire each other on daily basis, you will start thinking and trading as they do. Because if they can do it, so can you. Every single one of these traders had been in the course with Alpha Fibonacci system only for a couple of weeks. Every single trader had been trying for many, many years. It remains a brick wall. Everyone clear on this? So this is the power and this is the courage of intelligent trader. Marco, 3 points on S&P. Stunning, amazing work. But as we love seeing courage from Marco in the middle of crisis and Italy, it's a tough day for me. What does it show? Courage and honesty. Not every single day will be pure. This is very difficult market this morning. It's very, very clear for intelligent trader. Buyers are weak, buyers are crawling, bullish rally overextended. This target not to be ignored. It is war zone. Love the comment from Emmanuel. 3 points is fantastic. 3 points on S&P on 1 lot, $150. 10 lots, $1,500. 20 lots, $3,000. Clear on this? Jennifer refuses to jump in. Very conservative, beautiful wife of Emmanuel. This is community of traders who understand spectacular versus dangerous markets. Clear on this? So again, price remains stuck at this critical level. We are not surprised. We knew this half an hour before it happened. All targets with alpha Fibonacci system always identified in advance, never ever after the fact. It would be so much better for everyone if market would collapse. It is not happening. It is a very painful crawl of overextended bullish rally. Again and again and again. This level is a critical target. When this level is reached, intelligent traders scaling out, moving the stop outside of break even. Third time price at this critical level. No speculation, no panic, no neurosis, no gambling with the markets. Ultimate precision, as proven by traders throughout the world in 50 plus countries for the last 10 years who are trading alpha Fibonacci system from few $1,000 account to multi-million and billion-dollar accounts, from stocks, futures to forex to options. Did we know or did we know that it would be a problem? We remain here. Yes, time and time again you're witnessing the power of the system. If you understand that S&P moving in quarters, you're respecting and adoring 2916 level. 2916 does not exist. As S&P moves in quarters, 2916 does. It's a stunning lesson on all we discussed with brilliant, intelligent traders who do this every single day by playing markets as alpha Fibonacci precise chess game. Because we are dealing with overextended rally, when institutions buying every single pullback, this level will remain critical for weeks and months to come. Ultimate precision, ultimate bullish weakness. Market remains stuck. So if you're understanding institutional volume, you're understanding that institutions holding positions for a long time. When I work with hedge funds, weekly chart is a favorite chart. This is S&P 2016, identical level, 2200 level, never to be ignored. Night of the election, stunning place to buy. S&P skyrockets to the next level. There is no surprise. This is long-term chart. Day trading, not your cup of tea. You using long-term chart. Identical Fibonacci levels, identical precision. And if I take you to Apple, it was identical critical target when Apple doubled in value. Despite worst earnings in 13 years, when Apple skyrocketed from 90 reaching 181, where Apple have been stuck for more than 6 months. Until Apple reached next level. All in advance, never after the fact. This morning we're dealing with bullish weakness. This morning market remains stuck and frozen. Intelligent trader not surprised. Intelligent trader well prepared. Playing the market strategically well and disciplined with ultimate precision. I give you Lamborghini. All you have to do, drive one at 65 miles per hour, not 64, not 67. And if you can do this, you will have fleet of Lamborghinis. I simply ask you play by the rules. This morning it's ultimate bullish weakness. And if S&P starts crushing, it's a gift for intelligent trader. Who knows where targets on short will be. 3 points on this day is phenomenal, absolutely. And this is the support of brilliant, intelligent trader. As first day, Emmanuel supporting Kimberly. You came to the right place. Enjoy each day and its challenges. And that beautiful support from positive, intelligent trader. So if you would like to listen to podcasts of traders you just saw in the trading room, please do. You saw David, you saw Emmanuel, many other podcasts are coming. We're constantly updating Alpha Fibonacci YouTube channel with videos and Alpha Fibonacci podcast channel on SoundCloud with stories and journeys of other traders. If you would like to grab the last 2 spots we left with the biggest discount ever, of $2,000 per package, please review the information here. Lifetime license with software, 3 months group classes, or 6 months private mentoring with video library you can view 24/7, available at your convenience. As again, S&P keeps scrolling back up. This is your trading range this morning. We will dissect this trade in live class after the close of the trading room. It's pure, it's simple. Pure price for entry, Fibonacci for exits. You will never need anything else. Only this. No matter what instrument, no matter what account you trade.